Hi, welcome to this ebuilding tutorial. In this video we'll show you the sharing features of ebuilding. Once you have populated your model with documents, files and links, you can share them with your clients and partners in a very simple way. You can also share your entire model and even your point cloud as well. In the list of models, select the model you want to share and click on Share. A window will open, and here you can choose the sharing mode. You can share with a direct link, by email or by iframe. You can also choose different kind of logo associated to your sharing model based on your reference market. Cultural, retail, holiday, real estate, or if you prefer with no logo. You can enable the privacy format that the customer will have to accept in order to access the model, and then the geolocation. If you have chosen sharing with a direct link, you have to generate an URL. Then you can copy and paste it in another window of your browser. In the shared model you can navigate it and see all the contents associated to the matter tags. If you want to share the model by email, you have to insert the mail of your recipient, a message, and then click on Save and Send. The recipient will receive an email with a link to open the shared model. You can also share by iframe. You can set width and height and then generate the code in order to incorporate the model in a web page. If you want to share the model only with a part of your contents or with different contents, for example documents in other languages, you can duplicate the same model an infinite number of times by simply entering the same matterport ID for each version required and upload into it only the documents you want to share. Exactly with the same operation we made before, you can also share the contents, files, documents, images you have stored in your model. In the list of files, select the file you want to share and then click on Share. In this way, who receives the link can download the file. You can share the point cloud as well in order to show it to your collaborators who need to work on it. Go to the point cloud section, select the point cloud you want to share and click on Share. Repeat exactly the same operation we did before. With the powerful sharing capabilities of ebuilding, you can not only enrich your matterport model with the unique contents, but you can also share them with whoever you want or embed them in a website.